Hello guys, there is a video by which you can repair your RAM at home. This is a 2 GB DDR2 RAM and I am going to repair this. The things which will be required, they are a pack of tissue paper. Tissue paper are having high absorbing capacity, therefore they are used, and a cleaning solution. You can also use your spectacles cleaning solution, and one eraser and one brush. Now what you have to do, place your RAM on a tissue paper and place some drops of this solution on the metal surface like this. Now clean it with the eraser. You have to do same on the other side also. Place some drops and again clean. You have to rub it until all the surfaces are clean. Take another tissue paper and clean this surface. You have to clean all the eraser dirt and the solution. This